A construction worker on the third floor of a building needs a handsaw. He sees one of the laborers on the first floor and yells down to him, but the man indicates that he can't hear. So, the guy on the third floor tries to use signs. He points to his eye, meaning I, then at his knee, meaning need, and he moves his hand back and forth, meaning handsaw. The man on the first floor nods, then drops his pants and begins to masturbate. The man on the third floor freaks out and runs down to the first floor yelling, "What the hell is wrong with you? Are you stupid or something? I was saying that I needed a handsaw." The laborer looks at the carpenter and says, "I knew that. I was just trying to tell you that I was coming."